that you can hear. Feel the music almost touching the tip of your head, like the water from a shower, and feel the music rolling down your hair, your forehead, your ears, your nose, your lips, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, just cascading down your body, calming, relaxing, stilling, comforting the different parts of your body, now down to your hips, your thighs, your knees, your cogs, your shin, and the soles of your feet. And feel in your heart this sun-like ball radiating of energy. A sphere, a circular ball, radiating with positive, love-filled energy, full of light, full of brightness, like the energy of the sun, but not to burn or harm, but to nurture, grow and love. You've been meditating now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 19 days. Your heart is full of love, compassion, kindness. You are love, compassion, kindness. Take in a deep breath through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Take in another deep breath through your nose and out through your mouth. And once more. And now feel that ball of light bursting out of you and going and giving light to each and every person in your family and friends that needs love, prayers, and joy right now. Visualize yourself giving that radiant ball of positive energy, that glowing sphere of love and kindness and compassion. Feel it being shared, bouncing, moving from each person to the next, passing around that love that you have garnered over the last 19 days. And visualize it now, going all across the world, maybe to distant family, to the healthcare professionals, to care workers, to the front of line, to laborers, to workers, to movers, to anyone that's been affected. Feel yourself sending love and best wishes their way, radiating from the love you have. Feel that love vibrating across all your body, your forehead, your eyes, your nose, your lips, your mouth, and feel it reaching far and wide. You are a torchbearer. You are an amplifier of goodness. You are an ambassador of change. You're a conscious change maker, lighting up the whole world with your love. Now take that ball in your hands. Hold your hands out in front of you, feeling the ball cupped in it. How would you round your hand to make sure that it's held carefully and protected? Now rub your hands together. And now hold it and feel that glowing ball, that ball of light and energy. Feel it in your hands, the heat, the warmth. It's been to everyone in your family that you love and care for. It's been around the world. And now send it to someone who may have hurt you. Send it to someone who may have caused you pain in the past. Send it to someone that you may have even had a little argument with this week. Could even be your partner. Send it to that person by opening your hands and letting it go. And letting it go to that person's heart as well. Sharing love, sharing kindness, sharing joy at this time. We don't want to wish anything bad for anyone. Let it come back. Now that you're holding it again, hold it to your chest and your heart. So put your hands to your heart. Feel that warmth. Can you feel that glowing energy, that calmness, that love, that joy? Heat in your heart. And repeat after me. I am love. I am joy. And I am positive energy. Remember that your cleansing, your purification is helping you share more love in the world. And when you're ready, in your own time, when you're ready at your own pace, you can gently and softly open your eyes. How was that for you? I hope that was a positive experience for you. Fashion by Ali, good to have you here. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoyed it. Who else is here? How was that for you? Let me know. Amazing to see so many of you benefiting from these daily sessions. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you. Thank you for the love from Brazil. It means a lot to me. I love the country. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. Awesome. Thank you everyone who joined today. Sorry for being a bit shorter today. Alexander Ludwig, thank you so much. Hope that was soothing. For all of you who've been working so hard for these 19 days, that's your gift. You have this love to give out freely to everyone in your life. I loved holding the ball of light and love. Amazing, amazing as always, says Sona. I apologize for being slightly late today. I'm about to go on CBS's The Talk. If you are watching, please come and watch. Really looking forward to going on, so I'm about to go do that. But tomorrow is our last day, and I'll try to do an extra special longer one with all of you as well. So tell everyone to come tomorrow. Please tell everyone to come tomorrow. I would love to see each and every one of you there. Thank you so much. Sending you so much love. Thank you, Facebook. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Instagram.